video, I wanted to show you guys how to um, play with the display settings menu. Okay, and for the sake of this, I'm just going to hide the range rings. And if you look right now, you can see all of these different search assignments have red boundaries. Okay, and if we go to this display settings tab and click on it, we'll see that right now we're showing all assignments, and operational period is what our coloring by is. We could change everything to be ground or dog or trail or water type things if we want to look at just those. I'm going to leave this as all assignments though. And then I want to take a look at status. I think this is something that could be a really nice search management tool. And so if we change this to color by status, we'll see that everything turns to blue. And that blue represents a draft search assignment. And if I look here at search sector 2, I can hit edit and I can see down here that its status is a draft. Okay? And I can actually look at all of the search assignments as a whole by going to bulk ops and seeing them as a draft. Okay? And so for the sake of this, we say that search sector 4 has already been searched because we have tracks in there. We can call that one completed. We know that the first hasty, or H1, has been completed as well. So we could also change that to completed. And then let's say that search sector 3 and search sector 2 are at different levels of completion, which I can select both of them or just one of them at a time. Okay? And so let's just say search sector 3. That status is prepared but hasn't been given to a team for dispatch yet, and they're not searching it. It's ready to be given to a team or assigned to a team. And search sector 2 is in progress. So we now see red is in progress, purple is completed, and orange is ready to be assigned to a team. I think that kind of lets you see the progress of a search over time, and as these other search sectors become completed, things will get more and more purple over time. Alright, that's it for today for looking at the display settings. There's a lot more you can really do with that and play with that, but it just gives you one more way of looking at everything on SARTopo for search management purposes.